Today we're gonna talk about what is keto diet. The old idea of eating a lot of fruits, starchy food and starchy vegetables is actually making you sick. It leads to inflammation. It increases the chances of developing certain types of cancer and can put people at risk of cardiovascular diseases. By loading up on eggs, avocados, and other high-fat, low-carb foods, you can live healthier while losing weight on a sustainable basis. The key is achieving ketosis. Your body can take only two forms of energy. Either it uses up the sugar in your bloodstream or it takes in fat in the form of chemical compounds produced by your liver called ketones. When people achieve ketosis, they not only lose weight, but they get a nice burst of energy. They think more clearly, their skin improves and a whole long list of tremendous health benefits. If you are looking for a great way to adopt the keto diet and recalibrate your metabolism for sustainable weight loss, you are watching the right video. I'm going to step you through the basics of a keto diet to maximize your chances of success. You basically work with your existing diet and you switch gradually over to a ketogenic diet. This way, you experience less psychological internal resistance to your lifestyle change. Make no mistake, if you want the pounds to go and you want them to remain gone, you have to change your lifestyle. Stop going on diet after diet. Instead, change your attitude about certain foods and change your lifestyle.